Welcome to this beginner's guide on building a modular game framework, focusing on player inputs, audio, and user interfaces. A modular game framework divides game functionalities like rendering, physics, and audio into independent, interoperable modules. This architecture enhances scalability, reusability, and maintainability, simplifying development for beginners by allowing focus on specific modules. Think of it like building with Lego bricks, where each brick serves a specific purpose and can be easily connected, swapped, or modified. To set up a modular project in Unity, organize your project into distinct modules, each handling a specific aspect of a game. Create separate folders for each module within the assets directory and use C# scripts to define the logic inside each module. Unity offers two input systems, the older Input Manager and the newer, more flexible input system, which is now standard in Unity 6. While the legacy Input Manager is quick to set up, the new input system offers greater flexibility, multi-controller support, and rebindable keys. To implement the new input system, first install the input system package via the package manager in Unity. Next, create an input actions asset to define your actions and bindings. Then link it to a player game object using the player input component. Finally, handle input events using C# scripts to control player movement and actions, as shown in this example. A helpful tip for beginners is to use action maps to create different control schemes for various game states, like swimming or driving. For audio management, create an audio manager script to centralize all audio-related functionalities. Employ the singleton pattern to ensure only one instance of your audio manager exists throughout the game. Add multiple audio source components to the audio manager game object for different types of sounds, such as music and sound effects. Here's a code example for a basic audio manager, demonstrating how to play sound effects and music.
A best practice is to use a dedicated scene for audio to manage it separately and adjust spatial blend to 2D for non-spatial audio.
For designing user interfaces, Unity offers UI Toolkit, UGUI, and IMGUI, with UI Toolkit recommended for new projects. UGUI is a game object-based system, while UI Toolkit is optimized for performance and inspired by web technologies. For UGUI, start by creating a canvas game object to hold all your UI elements. Set the UI scale mode to scale with screen size for responsive UI across different devices. Then, add UI elements like buttons, text fields, and images to the canvas, adjusting their appearance in the inspector. Create a UI Manager script to handle UI element visibility and interactions, implementing methods to show and hide different UI views. This code example illustrates how to manage main and settings menus using a UI Manager. A helpful tip is to use Text Mesh Pro for better text rendering and customization, and create custom UI animations for enhanced user experience. Integrating modules effectively involves using interfaces or abstract classes to define clear contracts between them, reducing dependencies. Employ dependency injection to further decouple modules and improve testability, making your code more robust. Additionally, utilize Unity's event system to enable communication between modules without direct dependencies, promoting flexibility. Visual Studio is your primary tool for writing and managing C# scripts for each module. Leverage Visual Studio's powerful debugging tools to identify and fix issues efficiently within each module. Integrate Visual Studio with Git for version control, which is crucial for tracking changes and collaborating with others. For optimization, implement lazy loading to load modules only when needed, reducing game startup time. Optimize audio clips and UI assets to minimize memory usage, ensuring smooth performance. Always strive to write clean, efficient code to ensure your game runs smoothly and performs well. While this guide focuses on Unity, Unreal Engine also offers a robust gameplay framework with core systems like game mode and player state. Unreal's modular gameplay plugin allows you to create standalone features that can be easily activated or deactivated. Remember to source instrumental, non-copyrighted background music for your projects from royalty-free libraries. Always enable captions for accessibility, making your game and tutorials inclusive for all users. By following these principles, you can build a robust and maintainable game using a modular game framework. We hope this guide helps you on your journey into game development. Happy coding!